Hi, sixth grade. I'm really excited to start this project with you this week. So this is called the Living History Project, and it has to do with what's going on in our lives right now. So we have a couple slides that we'll go through. You might not know this, want to hear something mind-blowing. It may sound surprising, but you are living through a historical event right now. And you know what's crazy? People 100 years from now will still be talking about what's happening right now. People throughout history have lived through historical events, even if they didn't realize it at the time. We know about these events through something called primary source documents. So primary sources help us witness history through the eyes of people who experienced it. They can include diaries, journals, photos, recordings, autobiographies, interviews, and documents. It seems impossible, but your experiences, thoughts, and daily life right now could be incredibly valuable to people in the future. And I'm talking about yours, right here, right now. You are going to become a primary source. You can do it in any way that you like. I have some journal prompts. We'll get to video, sound recordings, artwork, photos, stories, cartoons, a written journal, song lyrics, or something else. It is up to you. Keep in mind that you're documenting history. 100 years from now, people are still going to be talking about this event. So you want to be detailed and answer each prompt that I give you clearly so that you have all the information that you need. I know it sounds crazy. Okay, so I am going to stop there with the slides and turn your attention onto our assignment for today. So this is the video that you're watching. Your first journal entry is, how is the coronavirus outbreak affecting your life? So you can think about what's going on with school. Obviously, we know that we're not able to go to school. Think about the activities that you would normally be involved in and how the coaches or teams are handling those events. Think about even just doing the mundane tasks like going to the grocery store. So any of those kinds of things, I'm asking for at least 4 sentences in your journal prompt for this journal prompt and everyone following this. And please use complete sentences, not just words. We'll have a time when we get to like poetry and video and that kind of stuff later on this week. But for now, let's stick with that, 4 sentences. So when you're setting up your journal, I want you to turn to a new section in your writer's notebook so that you have several pages that will just end up being your living history project. So don't pick like a spot when you only have 1 page left, or if you need a new notebook, then you could even use just like pieces of computer paper, as long as you have some way to keep them all together. So at the end of this, you have like a journal. So that's where we'll start today. Your assignment is to just turn in a screenshot of that journal response when you're done. And that is it for writing today. Let me know if you have any questions.